right, hello everybody. Welcome to our carrier briefing series at Macronet. Today's focus is on Lumen, and in particular SD-WAN. I'd like to introduce right now, we have Sam Sundstrom and Rick Tierney from Lumen. Sam, why don't you take it away?
Thank you, Scott, and thanks to Macronet for the great partnership, and thanks for the audience for your time today. We're going to spend a few minutes talking about Lumen, our evolution into Lumen as a technology powerhouse out in the market, and then I'm going to hand it off to my friend Rick Tierney, one of our best account directors who focuses on SD-WAN, to talk about opportunities with SD-WAN and our network as well. So thanks again, Scott. Let's go ahead and get started. So when you, I want to speak a little bit about how Lumen has evolved into the marketplace. And Lumen is fresh on the market, a new technology brand that you're going to hear a lot about in the coming years. And when you look back in history, there's really been three big technology milestones that have driven customers and businesses in the market. If you remember back, or we weren't alive, but many decades ago, the first industrial revolution was really the introduction of steam into the marketplace. And steam really started transporting goods and services and people around the country, and really furthered human progress and business progress. And the second technology revolution was the introduction of electricity. And electricity was obviously a game changer. Started businesses automating lights, factories, everything that we know in terms of production today. So game changer with electricity. And then the third industrial revolution was the introduction of semiconductors. Those semiconductors led to computers, compute power, and eventually the internet. So obviously a huge revolution there. And we are on the cusp right now on the fourth industrial revolution, what Lumen is calling the fourth industrial revolution. And that's all about data and what the world as consumers and what businesses do with data. Digital businesses today are consuming monstrous amounts of data, lots of outputs, and Lumen is the first brand and company launch to capture, provide the platform for amazing things to allow businesses to do great things with that data. So Lumen is actually formerly the company known as CenturyLink, so you may have familiarity with CenturyLink, obviously, and Lumen is now our enterprise brand within the CenturyLink portfolio. So Lumen Technologies is our new parent company. The CenturyLink brand is our small business and consumer brand, and then Lumen is that higher upmarket enterprise brand, and our portfolio reflects Lumen. Next slide.
Yep.
And then digital businesses today, customers know this, it's all about data and communications. And those customers and businesses that are successful acquiring, analyzing, and acting on that data are going to be the ones that grow and win in the market going forward. So Lumen is your trusted provider to provide the end-to-end technology platform for you to do everything you need to do in terms of communicating and acting, analyzing, and acquiring that data. So we want you to partner with Macronet and Lumen and our platform to get the technologies that you need to be successful as digital businesses today and going forward. Next slide. We are calling our technology platform the platform for amazing things. And what that means is our platform is all of the vast global network assets and technologies that we have put together under the Lumen brand, what was the CenturyLink company's CenturyLink brand. And we are offering 4 solution pillars on that platform. And this platform is the technology baseline, the foundation that you need to grow. So our 4 solution pillars that we offer customers are connected security. Obviously, security is paramount today. Incredible, immense amount of communications and data being transferred in this pandemic environment. So connected security is paramount. Edge cloud, we are a leader in edge. Lots of edge computing products going to be pushed out in market as we move into 2021. Adaptive networking, we are well known for our global network portfolio of solutions. And then collaboration. Collaboration is key we now offer Zoom in terms of our communications or UCC portfolio. So we've got a full, secure, end-to-end technology platform that you can use to grow. Next slide.
Yeah, Sam, I think now's a good time for us to just interject. As Macronet, we have clients using really all of these technologies across Lumen. So we have a lot of familiarity with your platform, your product set, and where you're going. So just good for our clients to know that we have a lot of experience across the portfolio.
Right. Then I love our breadth of services slide. This is what we call, this is really our menu of products that Lumen offers. And this is just an impressive look at Scott, all those products that our customers may be purchasing today, or some that may be available for them to take a look at. So our adaptive networking portfolio is on the left, edge, IT agility, cloud in the middle, connected security. DDoS is utmost important right now. We've got great DDoS protective services available, collaboration on the right-hand side, and then we can manage, consult, work with Macronet on any of these solutions to make sure they're fully managed for you. Next slide. And then, so welcome to the fourth industrial revolution with Lumen. We're very proud of our new brand. We're excited. Thank you to all the customers for their business. I want to do a little deep dive now, let Rick take over, and he's going to talk about our SD-WAN portfolio. Rick?
Thanks, gentlemen. CenturyLink in level 3, we are now Lumen, but let's take a little step back in history here. We were very early adopters in the SD-WAN space. We started our product offerings back in 2016. As customers, your needs are transforming very substantially with the way that you're connecting, with the applications that you're using, and quite frankly, the way that you're doing business. The SD-WAN market is expected to grow almost 60% in the next 2 years. We are seeing that growth this year with a lot of adoption of SD-WAN. Along with adopting that, though, is the fact that we believe, or what we've seen is that there's going to be about a 37% increase in the traffic that's going over that network in the next 2 years. So SD-WAN, we're at the leading edge of adoption of it. We're early in it, but as time goes on, it's going to be adopted more and more frequently. Lastly, the SD-WAN service is a platform. So everything that we want to talk to you about will ride on that platform. So it's important to understand about the foundation that is built in order to support all of those future places that our customers want to go. Next slide. Lumen has multiple offers that we offer in this space. Our offers are all of a fully managed mentality. And the reason for that, you don't necessarily have the resources to train your people on all of these platforms. We want to assist you. We want to have the expertise for you to be the experts that can help you manage what you're doing and allow your IT people to do what they do best, not having to worry about whether a network is up or down. We have multiple flavors versus Cisco Meraki, VM Bella Cloud. We will work with you to figure out what is the best fit. We continue to evolve this offer. As your application needs a change, you're going to more cloud applications, you're going to need more uptime, 100% uptime, because when you have outages, it not only affects the person sitting in your office, but it can affect now in today's world, remote users that can't connect. So SD-WAN is that platform that is being built to give you that 100% uptime, multiple different ways to connect, multiple different platforms so that we can find the one that best fits each individual customer. And we're evolving and adding more things to it. So.
Yeah, Rick, I was just going to say we do have reference customers on the Versa platform. We like the full UTM capabilities of the Versa platform. We also have Lumen clients using Cisco Meraki that are also referenceable. We're excited to see VMware VeloCloud added to the mix with that, and I think you've got some security solutions to go along with that component as well. So we're looking forward to that.
Great. Next slide. As I said, we've been doing this for about 4 years. We have been consistently regarded as a leader in this space, and we have been awarded handsomely over the years for our adoption of SD-WAN and the advancement of the technology. We're hoping that 2020 will be as fruitful as 2019 was. You can see on the screen there some of the different recognition that we've received for it. But know this, we have continued to expand the footprint. We are now in over 100 countries globally. That continues to expand on a monthly basis. And we continue to do best practices with new technology. Our VMware product offer is new to us in October. Versa and Meraki, we've been doing for 4 years. We do it very, very, very well. Next slide.
Yeah, I think the global capabilities is something that we find in a lot of cases our clients really like. If they've got a big, expansive global footprint, oftentimes, Lumen just is a right fit there because of the large autonomous system globally and the ability to deliver the hardware and turn up and implement the hardware on a global scale.
Great.
All right, next slide. Thank you.
All right, thanks for your time, and thanks to any customers that might be viewing this for your services. We'd be happy to have conversations about other areas of our tech portfolio. Macronet, Lumen are here for you to make your business successful. So reach out anytime. Scott, thank you for the opportunity today.
Rick and Sam, thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you.